Most people don't fail at English. They fail because they stop speaking. Welcome to DeepDown Books, where you learn real English through stories, emotions, and everyday conversations. So relax, listen carefully, and let's enter today's story. It was raining outside when Ryan walked into a small coffee shop near the train station. He looked tired. His shirt was wet, and he carried a heavy bag on one shoulder. The girl at the counter smiled. "Long day?" she asked. Ryan laughed softly. "Yeah, very long." "What would you like?" she said. "Just a hot coffee, please." "Large or medium?" "Large. I need energy today." She nodded and started making the coffee. Ryan looked around the shop. A few people were talking quietly. Someone was reading a newspaper near the window. "Your coffee will be ready in a minute," the girl said. "Thank you." "You're not from this city, right?" she asked. Ryan looked surprised. "How did you know?" "You keep looking at the train map," she said with a smile. Ryan laughed again. "Okay, that's true. I just moved here yesterday." "New job?" "Yeah. First day tomorrow." "That's exciting." "It's also scary," Ryan admitted. The girl placed the coffee on the counter. "Don't worry," she said. "Everyone feels nervous in a new place." Ryan picked up the cup carefully. "You sound like you've done this before." "I moved here 2 years ago," she replied. "I didn't know anyone. I was scared too." "What happened then?" "Slowly, things got better. I made friends. I found this job. Now this city feels like home." Ryan smiled. "That actually makes me feel better." "Good," she said. "And one more thing." "What?" "Tomorrow, just smile and say hello to people. That's the easiest way to start." Ryan nodded. "I can do that." He walked toward the door, then stopped. "By the way," he said, "what's your name?" "Emma." "I'm Ryan." "Nice to meet you, Ryan." "Nice to meet you too, Emma." Ryan stepped outside with his coffee. The rain had stopped. And somehow, the city already felt a little warmer. And somehow, the city already felt a little warmer. If you enjoyed this story and learned something new today, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to DeepDown Books, and keep practicing English. One story at a time. Because the more you listen, the more naturally you speak. See you in the next story. Good night. And keep learning.